Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Welcome to Babaji's farm. Well, as you can see, it's still wet. And alpaca's there. He wants some food, I think. But I gotta feed the chickens out because I left the door open last night and they're all outside. So I'm gonna go and put them back in. But okay, before I feed them, Mom just said that there's a 3 buckets of food inside, so I've got to go and take that in. Okay, as I said, nothing gets wasted. So you got leftover and all the leftovers and leftovers, bread and everything. That's some spaghetti, cake, vegetables, croissants, all of that leftover. Because we had a party yesterday, so there's quite a bit of leftover. Anyway, that's all going to the chickens. Look at them, following me. Come chickens. This is a good stuff. Okay, now I've given them food. Now it's their turn to pay me back. And look at that. Whoa, that's lots of eggs. I haven't picked it up for 4 days or something. And look at that. Can't even count them from here. But anyway, I'll pick them up. I've got a bucket here. Put them all in here and then wash them up. Hey, look at that. Bucket full. And happy chickens and happy mommy and daddy. I'm gonna go and feed these guys now. Hello Merlin. You're here for a feed? You want some lucerne? Come on, you got plenty of cake and bread. Eat that today. Something different. Not your normal seeds. Yeah, look at these baby chickens. He's loving it. Or she. Okay, let's wash these eggs. I'll just wash them in here and put them in that bucket. Three. 15. 16 eggs. Very good. I'll take them into Mom. Light drizzling. We did have quite a bit of rain last night, I think, but it's looking nice. I need sun today though. So I've got to put this cover back on. I think the temperatures are getting cooler. As you saw earlier, I was wearing a jumper and beanie, so I've got to put this back on because otherwise my veggies inside, especially I've got some chili plants which I want them to last for another couple of months, but if I put that on, then that temperature will inside will get warmer. That'll warm the temperature inside to another maybe 10-15 degrees, and that's what I want. So yeah, my job is to put that back on today. Hi Cleo, let me feed you. Okay. Alright. Okay, done. Smokey's breakfast, his cereal, biscuits and milk. He likes this. 14 eggs, Mama.
Welcome to Yasmin's farm.
Welcome to Yasmin's farm? Oh wow, nice. Your farm, is it?
It's the pink and Dobby's on it.
Oh. Okay. You had fun?
I did have fun at Nana and Babbity at the Babbity.
Oh, you had lots of fun. Okay. That's our breakfast. Same as like every Sunday, but we do have lentil from yesterday's lunch. We got roti, bread, Jasmine's honey, on fresh honey. Anyway, we'll get into it.
Hi, my name is Yusuf and I'm gonna show you something funny from Pakistan. ये देखो मैं मालूम ये देखो मैं मालूम
Who told you that?
मैं मालूम
Okay, that's it. Now what are you doing?
I'm gonna go back home and I'm watching TV
When?
now.
Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're just gonna be doing small jobs around the house like we normally do. We're gonna clean the shed because that's so messy. There's probably like a whole bunch of bugs, spiders. I bet you there's like...
Spider-Man, do you
And you gotta put that cloth back on.
Yeah, and we gotta put the cloth back on.
Say hi to Yasmin.
Hi Yasmin.
No, hi Yasmin. Spider-Man, do you?
What happened to the jumper? Ooh, it's freezing.
Okay, so this is the harvest for today. Tomatoes, I've got quite a few beans underneath there as well. But that's pretty good. A lot of zucchini again. So glad Mariam is coming and she can take some of that to the school to give away. But yeah, it's pretty good. Now I've got to start this work. So as I said, pulling the zucchini plant here and that one, and then yeah, take some weeds out, take those couple of big tomato plants out, and yeah, put the cloth back on. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so that's looking light already. Now I just need to take the tomatoes off those other two plants and pull them out as well. Alright, now look at that. I'll take some of these tomatoes off. I mean, I just don't have enough space, otherwise I could have left this. I prefer those bigger tomatoes. I left those ones in there because they're big Roma tomatoes, nice ones. And I've got another smaller cherry tomatoes, that plant. So I'm gonna let that one guide this way a bit so it's not going into where the chilies are. And I'm hoping that tomatoes, the Roma tomatoes, they'll just stay there, so but they will give me quite a bit for next couple of months. Alright, now I've got to take the tomatoes off this one and tuck that away and then clean this inside, and then Mushi's going to help me put the cover on. Look at that, still finding these potatoes was hidden under the roots of the tomato. Okay, so I've checked them here. I actually put about a couple of these ones a few days ago, and yeah, they disappeared, which means either cows or sheep would have eaten them. Boys are playing cricket, and I'll keep going because I got things to do. Mariam and Irfan are coming, obviously they're coming to pick the kids up, but they're having lunch. And Mom is cooking some nice soup. Plus the leftover from last night. Hey Mom, can you just show the soup?
Okay, so today is chicken and vegetable soup. So I'm only halfway through, so I'm actually doing it in the slow cooker today. So this is the season for soup, I think. So there's plenty of garlic and ginger in there. And a lot of mixed vegetables. Can't wait for this one.
I just go in there and start weeding. Take all that grass out. And look at this, looks messy. Alright, have a look at this, guys. Hard work. That looks heaps better. And look what I found while digging. More potatoes. Anyway, I'm hoping once I put this cover on, these chilies gonna take off, you watch. And there's more chilies over that way. When I pull all that grass out, that corner there, I still got those spring onions. I'm gonna leave it for a bit. But once we use the spring onion, I'm gonna clean that out. Yeah, cut all the mint off. I told you, never grow mint in your veggie patch. And yeah, this here, I'm gonna leave these, as I said, Roma tomatoes and that cucumber one. Hopefully I'll get some more out of these. But here, what I'm thinking of, I'm gonna put some coriander in here. And then maybe here I'll put some radish, winter vegetables. And then as the chilies go, I can grow more stuff over that way during the winter. Anyway, Mom just called me up because lunch is ready. And Irfan and Mariam are here, so I'm gonna go in and have a look from here. Heaps tidy, isn't it? And look at the clouds too. So I'm hoping we don't get rain for a while. But I've got heaps to do. Okay, here we go, lunch. As I think I showed you before, but that's leftover butter chicken, lamb, I thought it was beef-based lamb, and soup, fresh soup. There they are, eating zucchini, and some are inside because I left the gate open. That's alright, I'll leave them for a little bit.
I can't let it hit me. Ball offside or leg side?
Be a keeper. Be a keeper, come on.
Oh, go on that side.
Watch the ball.
This side?
Yeah.
You need to catch the ball, okay, when the ball comes. You okay?
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah. You okay? Yeah.
Good. Try.
Oh, very good.
Good.
You
Go
should,
back.
Trying.
you should remember if my foot is out of this line, then you can hit the wicket.
Jump.
Yeah.
Go.
Offside, yep.
Oh, should I got you out?
Yeah.
Yep.
Guys, I'm gonna go home today. Going right now with my balloon, but we can't find Jasmine's dummy.
Huh?
We can't find Jasmine's dummy.
Alright, see you later, alligator.
Bye. Wait. You have to stay there. Could you see the balloon? Wait. Get the camera up. Yeah, that's it. Could you see the balloon?
Oh, say bye, everyone.
Bye, Come on, Lally. Let's do this stuff.
Run, keep running.
Get it, quick, run!
Run.
Quick, it's gonna stop at the fence. Run!
Run. I'm coming too, stop it.
Yusuf fell down when he was chasing the balloon. Don't let it go now. It's very windy.
Oh.
You got your balloon? Happy?
I heard it.
You want to let it go again? Bye. See you later, alligator. So we started on that side first, and then we scoop both sides, the bottom and top. We've got a ladder, so we'll do one a little bit higher, do the other side, and then we'll do the same thing on this side.
Oh, sorry. Alright guys, so we're done now. Sorry we forgot to film some of it, but now we're done. Yeah, we didn't film any, also the camera. So yeah, it's been a good video. I think this is my part saying bye, but Dad will say bye later. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hello again. So Dad told me to go inside. I didn't know which inside he meant, so I came inside the house. And he meant the other inside. The inside the greenhouse. My bad. So yeah, let's go inside and check it out. That's much better. Don't have to carry that big stick around. I was trying to hold that. Okay. That. I'm gonna flip this around so I can see. It's so hot in here. Still got some potatoes, tomatoes. Wow, that tomato's huge. Hold on. You guys see that? That's pretty cool, man. And yeah, you can also see some black potatoes just sticking out right there. Can you see that? That's really spring onions. Back here, mint as well. Mint. Pretty cool. What? I've been in here for a while. Look at that huge spring onion.
Okay, have a look at this. That looks good. So that's done. I've just been inside and I'll start sweating. I think it's about 10 degrees hotter or even more inside than what it is outside. Anyway, so that's good. That's one job done. Took me a while actually because of the wind. But what I've done here. So what I've done here is I've planted some coriander seed. And then, as I said, I'll wait till those. I'm going to pick those potatoes up actually. Yeah, I'm sure those chilies plant will take off now because it's warm. Chilies love warm weather. And then I'll see how they go after a few weeks. I'm sure they'll have some chilies. Or actually within a week, I reckon. Especially that last plant will have chilies pretty soon. And these tomatoes will go off now as well. Just need to keep it tidy. Don't let it go wild like I did last time. Now, anyway, I'm just going to do my asar and then I've already cleaned the chicken house and then I got to go and do a small job at the front. Okay, my next job is basically I need to cut that bottom bit off from there and again put it more on that side. I know I did that a couple of weeks, maybe 4 weeks ago. I put some there and it is growing, but I just see how this one is looking a bit ugly. So I'll just cut that off and chuck it over there. So hopefully it starts growing that way rather than all coming this way. I think that's a pretty easy job really, but I'm hoping, I mean, as I said last time, trying to plant all of these on that side, so I'm sure it'll start growing. This some already is growing, so but anyway I had to cut this off anyway, so I just chucked it there, so hopefully it'll start spreading that way. Now my next job is I've got to refill the chicken feed and peacock's feed, and the day is almost gone. Okay, so that's all done. Still very windy, but I was showing you olives the other day. if this tree stops. It's very windy, but yeah, have a look at the olives on this one. There's quite a few here. It's funny how some of them have it, like this one doesn't have any olives. And I'll just show you the other one, and then look at this one, it's got few. But have a look at this one. This one is loaded. So that's pretty good. Alright, so this is watermelon. I think I showed you this before. It's growing quite fast, but obviously still not warm enough. But have a look at this. I've got one and only watermelon. So I'm hoping that it's still warm enough and it grows a bit bigger. If we do get a bit more warm weather, then I might get, now there's a few flowers as you can see, so I'll definitely get some more. Alright everyone, well I think it's that time of the day. Yeah, it's been a busy weekend, especially yesterday was pretty busy for us. Not so much, we didn't really show much of the picnic, but was really busy. You know, game in the morning and then lunch, and then rain started, so couldn't really do much anyway. And today it's been look, done a few things, you know, like especially my greenhouse, that was good, and planted some coriander and cleaned all of that zucchini out and all that, so that was good. Did a little bit of work at the front and cleaning chicken house and all that, normal chores. It's been a good weekend, and as I said, I got 4 days off next week, so next weekend, long weekend, so even we'll get to do more. Well, have a great week, and inshallah we will see you all next Saturday. Okay, Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz, bye.